Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I still remember the day I struggled to clean my kitchen floor. I had tried every cleaning tools under the sun, but nothing seemed to work. That when I discovered the Triley heavy duty magic broom silicone floor wiper, at first I was spectacle. I had tried so many others cleaning tools that promised the world but delivered nothing. But something about this product caught my attention. Maybe it was the silk design or sturdy packaging. Whatever it was, I am glad to I gave it a try. And the first time I used the Triley heavy duty magic broom silicone floor wiper, I was blown away. And the silicone blade was so flexible, easy to clean, and extendable handle was perfect for reaching those hard to clean areas. My kitchen floor had never looked cleaner, and from that day on, I was hooked. I used the heavy duty magic broom silicone floor wiper to clean all of my floor and from my kitchen to my bathroom. It was so easy to use and effective at picking up dirt and water. I have already recommended to my family and friends. It's a game changer for anyone who struggle with cleaning their floors, and trust me, you would not be disappointed. And guys, I was so excited to receive my heavy duty magic broom silicone floor wiper. As I opened the box, I was impressed by the sturdy packaging and silk design of the product. The first thing I noticed was the extendable handle, which was perfect for reaching those hard to clean areas. I also loved the silicone blade, and which was so flexible and easy to clean. I could not wait to try it out and see how well it would clean my floors. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.